This is going to be another video about my puppies. Hi, Max. Hi, Max. I also have these really cool nails. This one fell off, of course. Hi, Amelia. This is my partner, Julian. Hi, pups. Hi, pups. Hi, pups. Pups. Look at this tall grass. Hi, pups. Hi, pups. Pups.
Hey, Riley.
Yeah.
You know the apple juice?
Yeah.
Load it all the way up to the tip.
Cool.
So, half tip.
How many cups of water did you do?
My mom said she puts a little bit more, so I put a little bit more.
That brings all the flavor out.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, that's how
We even put more cups of water in ours that we made yesterday.
That's how everyone else does it.
Well, that's not how I do that. And that's how it becomes super sweet. And how it's supposed to turn out.
I can see Pup.
Look, can you guys find her? See if you can find Pup.
It's easy. You little white butt.
Shut up.
Dude, it's totally easy to see on the camera.
Yeah, I know, but
See Pup.
where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hold on, guys. I'm going to pause this video like... Okay, guys, I got my flip-flops.
Okay, here, where's the mess?
It's over here
Oh,
on the carpet.
okay, well, go out.
Okay. Just don't get in front of my camera, Mom. I don't want to show your face. Hey, Nanya. Hey, Max. Max-a-poo. Hey, look. They're getting all riled up. See, pups like to...
Catch Papa.
Yeah, pups. Pups. What are you doing?
Yeah, come here, Pup.
Are you okay, pups? Come on, pups. We're gonna get you, pups. And when we get like a puppy or a new little doggy, we'll be introducing you to her. And we'll be like holding her like this. Hopefully we get another puppy. I love puppies. How old is Leona? She's like 6 months?
Dude.
She's 8 months old. Yay! Her birthday is on Christmas Eve, right?
She's born.
She was born on Christmas Eve?
Julian.
She was born on Christmas Eve. Say happy birthday to Leona because I don't think I'm going to be making a video. Oh, I can make a video opening the presents. Our presents.
Julian.
Yeah, yay. And then I can give Leona a doggy bun. We need to make a stocking for Leona's. We need to make a stocking for Leona. This is our backyard.
9 months, yo.
9? Yay!